Hi my beautiful people, this is me again, Triple One Tarot English channel. For all of you guys, welcome you all. So let's get started with today's reading. And in today's reading, the most requested topic of this channel, you versus third party, that your person will choose you or the third party situation. Now first of all, let me tell you guys what is the third party situation. Actually, third party situation is any of the person or any of the situation or any of the thing that creating a distance, creating a separation in between you both, like your parents who are not able to understand your feelings and regularly restricted and not giving you a proper positivity about this relationship, or any kind of restricted negative influencer who is negatively influencing your partner or you as well, or any kind of situation which is creating a negativity, or maybe a person, same love interest, that is creating disturbance in your life. So whatever the kind of third party situation is here, you can resonate yourself with this reading, you can correlate and make the best vibrational output from the readings, from this video, from this reading. So let's get started with the readings, guys. But there is a request from my side: like this video, subscribe to this channel, and for sure if you like, then also comment down below. Okay, so your request. So let's get started. Like, at the moment of justice, who is the best option for your person, and your person will choose you over the third party or the third party over you. So first card, we have the Lovers card. Lovers card also signifies the third party situation. How? Let me tell you. This is the DF part, this is the DM part, and this is this mountain. Can you see this mountain here, guys? This is the third party situation, and this is the divinal output here. You can see this thing, right? So this is all about third party situation. Okay, so maybe you are Gemini or your person is. Let me shuffle some more cards. Please, angels, guide us, guide my viewers, and 10 less. Page of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Eight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, water sign again, and the bottom of the deck, Five of Cups, again water sign. So maybe you and your partner is a couple of water and fire, a combination of water and fire, or maybe Gemini and fire, and Gemini and water. Okay. Else, if your zodiacs are not matching right now, so don't be worried, because the zodiac is not necessary for matching. The important thing for today's reading is the condition. What I'm seeing here is you are the only one, like you guys, who is watching this video, you guys are the only one who is putting all the efforts in this relationship, and this person is just like sitting on a one position, on the same one position, and just waiting for a right time to come and making a step. Like, I'm also seeing your person take so many kind of steps for you, like earlier in this relationship, but now this person is also in this dilemma that I have nothing to do, I have to move on with this scenario because nothing is working right now. Yes, of course, I'm feeling disappointed, but my family, my third party is also very important for me. I'm seeing, guys, for those person who is watching today's video, the main thing is your person's family, who is the third party here, who is creating a negative output, negative input in your relationship, and they are creating a big distance in between you both. Okay, they are creating and making big differences, big distance. So basically right now your person is in immature phase, where he or she is not able to take any kind of step, like any kind of step. They are just sitting on their one place and waiting for the right time to come, and they are insecure, they are disappointed, they are feeling guilty about this thing, like they are feeling really very apologize for these kind of mistakes. What I'm seeing here is now, guys, that in the earlier of this relationship, in the beginning of this relationship, they definitely know about this condition, that this kind of situation will definitely come, where I have to choose my love interest, or where I have to choose my family backgrounds. Okay, but at that moment this person don't get that kind of realization that that the situation will be messed up in like this way. And now this person is feeling very disappointed about this thing, that I know in the beginning of this relationship, in the beginning of this situation, but I'm the only one who was not able to put any kind of effort, and now I'm also not putting any kind of efforts. So let me check. This is the closure of this problem, like what I'm seeing here. Let me check from these beautiful cute cards that your person will choose you or the third party situation. We have Chariot and we have Three of Cups. Okay, so maybe you are Cancer, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Again water sign. Water sign is there, like a lot water sign I'm seeing. Hermit and Queen of Cups again. Oh my goodness, Queen of Cups again. This person see you just like a queen, just like a beautiful beautiful soul who is very forgiving by nature, and who is really very beautiful, not from outside but from inside also. This person is putting lots of effort in their career also nowadays I'm seeing this, and they are feeling very very disturbed. But one thing which is really very clear here is, at the moment of justice, like when their parent put more pressure on them for marriage, or from settlements, or each and everything, like so at that moment of justice, definitely you will win. Yes, definitely. Why I'm saying this to you, because there is a Chariot card. Maybe you are in a twin flame relationship. Can you see here the beautiful TF symbol? Okay, so this card also shows the balancing in yourself. You are creating balancing, or you are doing yoga, meditation, pranayam, or maybe any kind of law of attraction technique you are using in your day-to-day life, that is creating very big beautiful thing in your life. And for sure soon the situation will come that your person will be not more hanged in this situation. Okay, so yes, your person will choose you over the third party situation. Okay, for some people I'm seeing any kind of effort also, soon any kind of effort, because can you see 10 of Wands, the burden card, and 7 of Wands, the frustration card. This person is like they are feeling a very much burden, and as we know, everything is just like, see, Sun card is there, so everything is just like have their own limits. I'm seeing when the limit will cross over in their life, they definitely take a step, so move in your life again. The Sun card is there. For sure this person will choose you. As you both are in a TF journey, you have to make some efforts for yourself, you have to make some beautifulness for yourself. Guys, this is the thing, this is confirmly sure 101% that definitely your person will take step for you and definitely choose you, not the third party. If the third party is their parents, definitely they will make some new plans for you. Okay, see, we have card here is Justice and Fool. Okay, so if the time will come, they will definitely choose you by making some efforts or taking any kind of steps. so you don't have to be worried about the situation. Okay, so like this video, subscribe to this channel. Love you a lot. Bye bye.